Hello, this is Mr. Turek, and today I'm going to walk you through the basics of Yearbook Avenue. To get to this page, which is Yearbook Avenue, you just Google Yearbook Avenue, and it actually should be this first thing up top here. And I recommend you sign into Yearbook Avenue on Chrome, and make sure you have the password saving turned on so that you can save the job number, your username, and your password. The job number for our book is 14584, and for this year, it's 2019. Let's go. When you log in, you're going to see a bunch of like little tiles here and tabs and stuff. You're probably going to want to ignore most of this stuff. The main sections you're going to be using are Plan and Create. Under Plan is where you can set and take a look at, all sorts of stuff related to the higher level organization of the book. And if you're an editor, you're going to have access to some of this stuff. Under Create, all staff are going to have access to Create. And under Create, you're going to go to Page Designer. Page Designer is where you create the pages for your book, and for the most part, we're probably going to restrict access to certain styles, certain fonts and colors, and then certain templates. Real quick, just a rundown of these tabs. Pages allows you to see which page you're on. Right now, nothing's on the pages. Under Designs, that's where all your templates are going to be. And these are some old templates saved under my 2018 templates, but we'll probably pick a theme. And depending on which theme we pick, each theme breaks down this way. And they have like little sections here for you to use. There are templates. And when you want to use a template, you just click and drag it over to the page. It automatically applies, and then you can add images to this template. Right now, I don't think I have any images uploaded under Images right here. Let's say we did. You could click and drag images to place them in here, and you can change your fonts and colors pretty easily. All of this is pretty self-explanatory. If you click inside a box, you can edit it. You can move it around, you can resize it. Under Format is where you change the format of your objects that you're editing. So if I wanted this to be green, I could go to the fill color and I could pick a green color. If I wanted to change the font, I could just click on the box and then change the font to whatever I wanted. Most of this is very self-explanatory and very easy to use. Jostens doesn't have a lot of options here, so you kind of have to be creative with the limited tool set they give you. And for the most part, what they give you is plenty to make a pretty good design. So try to play around with like a pre-made template and just have some fun reorganizing some stuff and getting used to how things behave.